Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit OAKS. In this very important video, we are going to tell you how you can get this $1,000 very easy loan with no credit check at all. In this video, we are going to give you step-by-step guide, means how you can get it. And in this video, we are also going to give you an opportunity to get $1,000 as a giveaway. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you can watch the video whenever we upload it. And please smash the like button as it really helps the channel. So let's start the video, and here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here is the opportunity that you all have been waiting for a very long time, and this time is from Blue Eagle Credit Union. You can get $1,000 fast, and you know what? It's absolutely no credit check. It's very quick, and they call it Eagle Express Loans. This is indeed a very huge opportunity for millions of people who are looking to get more money right now, especially in this time of inflation. So make sure that you watch this video till the end, because you can get $1,000 as a giveaway as well. So let's get into the details of this loan. Means what are the perks and cons of it? Well, Eagle Express Loans, as they call it, and they say need a little extra cash, we have an Eagle Express Loan. It's quick $1,000 loan with no credit check for qualifying members, and you know, it's available in just few minutes and you're ready to dive into fun. So what are the perks? The perk says that there is no credit check at all. Congratulations. It's instant approval and funds for qualifying members. Means you don't have to wait for the funds to get deposited into your account for a day or 2 or 3 or a week. It's instant approval, and it's up to $1,000 loan, and the payment is $94 monthly payment, and it's completely protected. And you know, the term is 12 months, means you can pay this loan back in a whole year. Yes, you do have 1 year to pay this loan, and you need more than $1,000. They say that we can do that too. You will simply go through their normal lending process, but that one is a little longer. This one is specifically no credit check. All you need to do is apply online. We are going to paste a link below in the video's description. All you need to do is go there, click on the link and apply for it. For example, let us click on the apply now right here. When we click on it, first it's going to ask me that how much you need and what is the loan type. So let's start, and we need to find the loan that we need to take. They have a lot of them, but the first one that we are taking, it's Eagle Express, right? And it's $1,000 as we already know, and then it shows you the payment as well, that is $94. Let us just zoom in so you can see it properly. Well, when we click on next, they're gonna ask you for your first name, your middle initial, your last name, your date of birth, your social security, primary phone number, email address, your address, and make sure that it actually matches your credit profile information. And the reason that we are saying that they're not going to pull your credit, but they might do a soft pull, so make sure you put the information that you have on your credit report. So when it comes to the soft pull, remember it's equal to no credit check at all, because it's not going to affect your credit score at all. If you have a co-borrower, you can click right here as well, or otherwise just simply click no, click on next, and then they will take you to the employment information if you have any. Then you can put the information, then they're gonna ask you to review all the information you put, as you can see right here, and then at the end they're gonna give you the confirmation of that. This is going to be a game changer for a lot of people. But what about the opportunity that we were talking about, means which can give you $1,000 very easily as a giveaway? Well, here is the opportunity for you. Means it can give you $1,000, and this is from Credit OAKS channel itself. Yes, in order to take part in this $1,000 giveaway and get $1,000, all you need to do is to follow some very simple and easy steps, and these steps are as follows. The first step to take part in this $1,000 giveaway is to subscribe to Credit OAKS channel. Click on the subscribe button right now. The second step is to click on the bell icon. The bell icon is situated right beside the Credit OAKS subscribe button. When you click on it, you will get the notifications of our videos as well as the notification of the video, which will reveal the winners of this $1,000 giveaway. Now it's time for the third step. The third step is to like this video. Click on the like button on this video. And the fourth and the final step is to comment below in the comment section of this video and write, "I love Credit OAKS videos." Let us repeat these steps in a quick manner. Subscribe to Credit OAKS channel. Click on the bell icon, like this video, and comment below in the comment section of this video and write, "I love Credit OAKS videos." Remember, the 2 winners will be randomly selected and the date of giveaway will be announced very soon. And do you remember that we are going to upload another video which could give you $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all, and if you have low or no income, you still have the perks to get accepted. Yes, we are going to upload that video very soon on this channel, so make sure you subscribe to Credit OAKS channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification of the video when we upload that. And right here, when it comes to this video, remember that this is not the only loan that you can get. There are various other videos that we are going to upload on this very important Credit OAKS channel, which will allow you to get more money from these new fintech companies as well as the traditional banks and credit unions and other community banks as well. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below, and we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours, as you can get quick, no credit check Eagle Express loans, not just from Blue Eagle Credit Union but from other financial institutions as well. So it means if there's no credit check, means there are more opportunities that can open for you, because other institutions will not be able to check your credit at how many loans that you have on your account. When it comes to the loan, this is a liability, so make sure you pay your loan on time or at least make the minimum payment. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a great day.